Alright, today in this video I'm going to install Mudflap in my Polo. Since I got wider wheels, it may throw mud or water in the rainy season, so it may give disturbance to the people who is driving behind me. So I thought to get a Mudflap for that, and I'm going to install it myself. So this Mudflap, today I got it from the showroom, which has the user manual how to install it. So everything is pretty clear, and it has few screws and holders, and this is my repair kit, which has all kind of sizes here, and there is a lever. So the screw size are already defined, and I fit it here. So with this I'm going to remove all the existing screws, and I'm going to install Mudflap on all the 4 wheels, and in addition I'm going to add some white color in the Michelin logo, so it will give some sporty look to the car. So let's see in this video how I'm going to do this. So for installing this Mudflap, the very first thing what we need to do is we need to remove this tire. So actually in some places we need to put some holes, and in some places we need to remove the screws, so in order to fit these things. So I'll show you. So this is the right flap for this side, so I'm going to show you here. So let's check this out. See, the fitting is perfect, and I can use yes. So in some places there are existing screws I can use, but for few of them I need to put some hole and screw it. So I'm going to remove all the tires one by one. I'm going to install this Mudflap. So successfully here we just installed that clip, so the screw is going to sit in here. So why we placed the clip here, because in future this should not become loose. So if it is getting loose, then that Mudflap won't sit in the right place. So it's ready now, so we can install the Mudflap now. So check out the finishing now. So we just installed 1, 2, 3 here, and 4th one. So this is the rear one. So we just installed without any caps. It's looking very nice. So now let's put the wheel back.